Cool. I think we are here. Uh, Let me just check if I can see myself. I think I'm not sure. Hello, hello, Indresh. Am I audible? Is everything working? I just started on a new system over here. Is it all good? It's a fresh system. I just need to set it up. All right. Uh, all right, all right. Amazing. I hope the stream is not laggy. It would be good. All right, so let me just drag this thing here so that I can minimize it, and we'll work on from here. How can I just all right, so all right, amazing. So I wish you guys can see it. Let me just see if I can make this thing. Not like that. Maybe I could just say this thing. Are you able to see that? Why it's always a OBS screen? Are you able to see my terminal? I think you know what, let me just do one thing. Let me just delete just I'll do a screen capture, but it will be on the very last. From the selector I'll just select terminal, Mozilla Firefox I think, and then share. So now I can just do this and not this, right? Configuration, open selector, Mhm. Again another screen capture 2. Again this will be on the very over here. I can application window IGCT. Hmm. Just trying out something. Entire screen if I do and do a share, then are you able to see the browser and terminal? Yes, I think you can. All right, so this is it. Then I'll just show you this thing. All right, Rushi, why Ubuntu? Uh, okay, why Ubuntu? The macOS that I was showing, it was my office system, and I was having some issues because there are some projects that are running on different dependencies, and it was a trouble as soon as I update any Node.js version or something like that. So I cannot like always use nvm. I just forgot after closing the terminal the nvm. I need to set it to default, but it keeps on going to defaults that my projects actually run. So as soon as a new project is there, or any side project that I'm working on, the TypeScript application that we worked on yesterday, it doesn't work, because then I again have to go and use and like to go in the terminal and write nvm use that latest node. So that's why. If I go this, then I can just All right, so now what we need to do, we need to install node.js, right? So again we'll go for our main thing. So guys, in the meanwhile, I can see we have 21 people watching, so it would be amazing if you guys can give it a like. We are a little bit slow today. I can see like this. Let me just close this thing, this one as well. Right. Thank you, Rushi. Thank you. Really appreciate it. So maybe we can get this if I copy this. Curl. All right, nvm minus. Okay, we need to do something else here. I need to do this as well, and then I can do this bash rc. All right, so we have this thing. I think for I need to install the latest one, right? So I think it's TLS. I don't know, we have to pass a flag called TNS. I liked ebel. I want to do the latest one. And this one will do, I think. Yes, it is. It's not Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Uh, okay, so let's go and start. I will open, you know, I'll go with get started. We have one beautiful script that I can copy. Am I properly audible, guys? Well, 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 look who's here. Hello, hello. Let's go here now. Yes, proceed with standard, of course. So we already have git installed, so what I'll do, I'll create ssh keys on my system, and I will paste it in keys on GitHub, on the keys portal in GitHub, so that each time from it will, it will register my system there, and I will add the fingerprint on my local, so that each time now when I will access my git from the ssh variant one, I can, I can be a verified user. So we'll see now. Alright, I think it's great, 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 great. What if I do cargo new test? No. Well, that is the case then. I didn't get that thing. Right. Cargo. What the hell happened with this one? Anyways, till the time it is happening, let's open another tab and let's start creating ssh keys for that. So just empty key. Now I need to add this value, right? So I'll say, let me just copy this thing, right? Agent PID. I will just add it over here, and when I want to see it, I will see it. So I'll say, just give me a second, I need to add a new ssh key. I'll just see this thing. I will copy it uh, I'll open my GitHub and then I'll paste that section over there. Waiting for the 2FA. Got it. Now I'm going on settings. Inside the settings I'll have SSH and GPG keys. There I'll add a new GPG key. I'll name it Ubuntu, then I'll paste, add this. I'll get mail about that if it's all went well. Yes, I got it. Now I can securely clone from my repo. So if I'll do, so I kind of never do git clone on HTTPS. I'll go for HTTPS. Oh, sorry, SSH. Let's try out something. Let's copy our Actix CRUD application. So on the code, if I copy the SSH part, now let's see, I'll say git clone and I'll paste this thing. So you see, this is the thing. If SSH will be working fine, then I will be able to download it. First of all, I need to add the fingerprint. I'll say yes. Alright, I think it's done. We have Actix CRUD over here. Now let's see if okay, proceed with standard installation. Yes, I'll say enter. Rust is installed now. Okay, do I need to close the terminal and then open? Let's see. Maybe if I can do this, this cargo version. Alright, very good. Let's just go here and I'll see if I have cargo build. Let me do that. Yes. He's obviously using Ubuntu and definitely is a newbie. Yes. Can you tell how to customize this terminal in this? He uploaded shorts where he was setting up Arch Linux. Yes, I was setting up Arch Linux on this laptop only, but when I tried to set up OBS for that, it just went well because it went well basically. But what happened is when I tried to share a screen, I was using the Wayland. I was using just the environment was Wayland. So in that the screen sharing was by default it's pipewire, and that was not working for me because my hardware is very old. With the system that I had is very old. So I thought that why not go for Ubuntu. So I dropped that idea. I use Arch. Yes. Yeah, so I was using KDE Plasma. I was not able to set up OBS there. Like OBS was not streaming. I was not able to see it. The system, my motherboard is, I don't know what is that, American standard, some kind of thing. It's like around 7 to 8 years ago I customized it from a shop. So they just filled the things up, and till the time I was not working from home, so I thought, anyways, linker cc not found, could not compile surd due to one previous error, building failed, could not compile proc macro 2 due to one previous error, could not compile libc. I think I need to install what that thing, American trends, yeah, something like that, something like that, American trends. uh, Also, everything comes to graphic drivers. I think Ubuntu is more stable than Arch. That's what I thought, because when I set it up Arch, I need to give a lot of time to customize things, to find the drivers, and the Nvidia graphics, the graphics card that I installed around 1 year back, just to connect my HDMI, because it has that port that old S port. So, and the if you want to set up an HDMI on this, then you need to go for the graphics card. So I have gone for Nvidia 2 GB graphic card, and that I used very cheap, I think 4 to 5 thousand rupees maybe, and that is old too. I didn't find any drivers for that Nvidia, so I used just proprietary drivers while installing. I mean, yeah, hardware is not supporting me. I'm not using my Mac because it has some office work, so I thought I should develop this. I mean, you can see this, right? I am able to stream through Ubuntu, but it's not a case with Arch, with my hardware. There is a catch to it, with not everyone, maybe because if anyone is running Arch, he must be using a new hardware. So that was it. uh, Can you tell me how to customize this terminal in this? You can customize it. There are way different things. Install the fonts. Try out different tools, terminal tools like Fish, ZSH, or something like that. There are a hell lot of options. I'm sure you will find it. Yeah, yeah. I was setting up Arch on this system only, but what are you doing? I just installed Ubuntu after some time, so I thought that I should come live and just do my work. Nothing much. विदेश बिल्डिंग के साथ अपडेट का क्या करें, बिल्डिंग के साथ अपडेट का क्या करें, माया रूपनवर. One thing is, you build and time to time just do an update. I hope you are asking about Node.js thing, right? Because I am running projects that are very old, like 3 to 4 years old. So migrating to a new Node.js version will give some kind of crash. In my case, that I need to fix. Then I need to either update the dependencies or something like that. Okay, this error is coming because I think I have to install one more thing with this thing, maybe Clippy or something like that, because only Rust is not like this is not enough. I need something else. It needs a dependency on someone. Maybe let me check. We have Rust up, we have curl, maybe build essentials. Let's just do this. Let's see if give us something. I think. What you doing? Nothing much. Just setting up Ubuntu on my PC. Okay, so it was an error of what it was saying. I think it was saying some libc as well, right? So it's done. Proc macro cert cannot compile cert due to one previous error, that is linker cc. So I think it should have installed some kind of gcc. Can you guys find out where is gcc? Did it installed it? G++. All right, it is done. GCC, right? So maybe hopefully it will do now. Cargo build. Yes, Indresh, you you already pointed out that it's a GCC. Installing pkg config. All right, now let's figure it out. We have something over here. Open SSL sys. Could not find directory. This script cannot be proceed. Can you just give me a gist of what are the steps you have done until now? Bashir Ahmed Mondal. Nothing much. I just installed Rust, installed Node, installed Git, created a SSH certificate and added it on my GitHub account so that I can access it on SSH, all my repository. That's it. Now I'm just trying to build a Rust project so that I have Rust working, then we'll see. Will it build, guys? What do you think? Let's go. All right, it's done. I think we made it. Should we do make file, right? Let's see if we can run this. Make run. Right, let's just do cargo run. I need to install cargo watch as well. Right. So now let's set up our nvim. So as usual, I'm going to use a template, not going to create from scratch like creating the Lua files and on. I will already fail to connect to database because we haven't installed and set up our database PostgreSQL. But that is fine, that is fine. I think we were able to build the project, so we'll do it step by step. Now let's set up our editor. We'll set up our nvim. Let's see, where can I get so you see it needs nerd font that I'll install. We need neovim, tree citrus CLI, that is okay. ripgrep, we need that, right? So I need to install this thing, ripgrep. Yeah, that's what I was asking about. I think it is this thing that is important. Alright, it is done. Node we already have it, that is fine, that is fine. Now let's head over to GitHub and find out astro nvim's thing. Let's search for astro nvim. We got it. We'll clone it. Okay, right, so we have it here, right? Actix CRUD is already there, so it was just to check for our REST application. So I should remove this thing now. First of all, alright, so we have this thing. We don't have anything over here, right? So let's do this. I was recently setting up my neovim in my virtual Ubuntu shell, but I was stuck up config file and not able to see the changes much since I have copied the .config from other user get. Why are you good at ace in Rust? I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. It's a very vast topic. It's a very vague statement to say if you are good at async Rust or not. Also, any good practice or tips how to use Neovim for project setup, increase efficiency, able to use its full potential. You will get it once you get used to it. Otherwise, at first it will be very tough, very hard. Uh, Instead of Control C, you need to V, then give selectors, and then yank it. So, at first it will be tough, but later on you will get habitual to it. Other tips are whatever you do with your other editors, make sure you have that command, that combinations of keys up to your brain. I mean, you should not stuck at least on that part that you do almost on the other editor. Rest is just a practice, nothing much. Do you work or in college? If yes, which one? Yes, I do work. Not in college. I was a 16 pass out, 2016. Alright, we have this thing, right? Now let's go here, and from I think we need to move all these astro and vim part over there, right? So I'll say for now I'll just, should I move them or should I do copy them? Everything I need to just go on config and vim. So I need to copy everything inside astro and vim over to that place, right? I already removed the thing, so I think it is done. So if I go command config and vim, I can see all these things over here, correct? Now I need to install nerd fonts. So because if I go and do nvim dot, it will start to do that thing and it will be very ugly for now. So I need to install few things. I need to install nerd fonts for that, and I'll see if I can get any nerd fonts. I am here. Maybe some good thing. Where should I go? Heck, Fira. Alright, so this is the developer fonts. So I'll go on downloads of this. Let me just show you this thing. Oh, I'm doing it on different tab, right? Oh god. Sorry, you didn't, guys. Like, You didn't even tell me what is happening. Let me just open all the terminal over here. What is this? It is ripgrep, right? So let me copy this thing as well. Alright, so this is the Astro NVIM website. I did nothing from here. I just checked it. Basically, I searched for on my Git. I searched for Astro NVIM and I just have gone there, just clone their repo. Alright, this one is like required ripgrep, so I installed it. It's a NeoVim. I was to install it, so I just went to its GitHub page to see if there is anything new that I need to install. I think one command did that, so this is done too. Now this is the nerd font. I just have gone inside the developer fonts download option where I can download few things. I'm not going to experiment much. I'll simply go ahead and search for heck. I mean, this is also good, big blue term. So it will be like a old IBM system. So there is a font for IBM as well that used to be run on those old systems. So Fira code nerd font, good one. Hacknut font is good, so I'll just download it, and it is downloaded. Now I need to extract it in and copy it somewhere. So we have inside a local share we have a fonts thing, right? So let's just go from here. Let me check your questions if you guys have any questions. Or Aryan, what are you doing? Nothing. I'm just installing things in Ubuntu, just setting it up. Terminal bell loud. What? Oh, you mean to say that thing? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Terminal bell is loud. Desktop audio, I just turned it off. Maybe that could solve the issue. Indresh, are you able to hear the bell now? I think not, because the desktop audio was on, so I think that might be picking it up. I'm looking for a cybersecurity internship in Canada. Nice. I have the required skill though. Nice. Very good then. Cool. What do you study? BTech CSC? No, I'm not in college. I passed out. I was from the batch of 2016. Okay. So if we do mkdir nvim and create a .config file, which I think hidden file, yes, it's a folder. What should I do with Rust which is interesting, like Lowell thing, but should be useful? Maybe we have so many things that we can just try it out. You must have seen Apache like Apache Nginx, right? All those things that check for processes on the system. So you can do that. Just see around yourself. Maybe any tool that you use, try to rewrite it. And I think from the day Rust was there, many of the things has been rewritten and are already doing well. Okay, so Bashir is saying so if we do mkdir nvim, okay, I did an mkdir nvim because I am saving it inside the .config folder from where I will install nvim instead of from my home directory. Okay, and create a .config file. It's not a file. Yes, it's a dot folder. So if I go inside cd, I'm doing cd because I'm doing it on directory, so it's a directory, a hidden dot directory. So if I do any customization, I'll be able to see in my project if my location of the project in other rather than nvim folder. Yes. Yes. I don't see anything. I mean, maybe you are trying to convey something else, but I think we are doing it only to install nvim and configure nvim. After the nvim is configured, nvim will be accessible all like throughout the system. So it doesn't matter. I can even do nvim on my home directory. I can see all the locations as well, like desktop, downloads, documents. So yeah. Can you show your nvim config? Yes, why not? I have just downloaded it from Astro nvim. Didn't do much. So if I do nvim and open it, then it will try to install nvim and it is going to be very ugly. So this is it. Everything is protected over here, as you can see. I mean, if you want a link, it's exactly copy. I didn't change anything. Like nothing for my LSP that I need or something like that. Nothing. I didn't change a thing. I should try building something with ESP32. Okay. Thanks a lot for verifying. No problem. Maybe you could check out the Astro nvim GitHub repo. It's exactly like that. For now, it's exactly like that. You can start with nvim Kickstarter if you want to learn how to config. Help me a lot to develop my. Okay, amazing, nice. Yep. But there are several things. If you want a minimal implementation, there is also a simple one-liner that you can do. It will create a editor for you, like a config for you. I think it's about it's lazy nvim. So if you go into their GitHub repo, it's just one liner that they need. I think it says null font is also an optional thing there, but okay, that is fine. Let's just check this thing. Do we have fonts over here? Now we have fonts. Alright, now we are going to unzip our thing over here. Okay, so we have hack.zip, right? So maybe we could say unzip. Do we have it? Hack.zip d, and maybe local share fonts cannot. I think we are done. So it's meant to be the oh, is it? Is it? What the what the hell changed? What did you guys change? Should we have to go? All right. Where was that? Sorry, I need to show it here, right? Astro and Vim. Alright, let's see what changed. It says blah blah blah, you can do this. Maybe I should do this. From where it is doing? Alright, it is going from the home thing, right? So I should do this. Alright, something blacky is coming, so I think it is geared. We have installed our nerd fonts, so maybe it will pick like the folders and something like that. It says it's already up to date. Why not? Yes, please. Permission denied. I think we need to give permission to this nvim folder. So what is the permission to read, write, execute? It is 777 or something like that, right? So sudo ch is it? Am I like I'm making some sense over here, right, guys? So I can say ll config nvim permission denied. This is okay. So this is the thing, it's read write plus execute. So it's not this, basically it is this. What the hell? Sudo chmod, so it will be u plus read write execute. What the heck? Maybe I should directly jump there. Dude, are you kidding me? Are you just kidding me? What the heck just happened? Guys, what the hell happened? Did I just maybe try ch on? I shouldn't ask for permission in first place. Yeah, no. Hmm. It shouldn't ask. Yeah, I have set it up when in my other system. It just went very smooth. You can start with npm kickstarter. Okay. I did it right. I said, uh, remember, if I go there, I just no. I said sudo ch. Maybe yes, I have all the permissions now. So I was doing it earlier correct, but the I messed up that before the octal value there. I said dash r, but it should be a capital R. So it just messed it up, but it's done now. So I'll go. Maybe I can do it again. So if I go cd. Config nvim, I can just say this. Okay, astro nvim requires nvim greater than 0.1 0.0. and we have this thing. So now upgrade it. So you can install a newer version via Snap. I am at the official NeoVim Reddit page. So it says go for Snap. We installed from apt. So should I do something like sudo snap install NeoVim? It has something nvim. Maybe that could do. Maybe, I don't know. It's 0.113, so I think we are done. Buddy, what happened? बड़ी क्या चाहिए तुमको? It's still this thing. It says one more thing. Type which nvim. Its user bin is the first directory on your path. You should probably uninstall that the old version via Ubuntu package manager. So sudo apt remove neovim. Probably lives at this thing before the first listed. You should probably remove this thing. After, you need to make sure the directories contain the newer version you install. So if you have two versions installed at the same time, Ubuntu will use whichever it finds first on your path. I recommend installing the one already with apt. Remove neovim, reinstall it via snap, and restart your terminal. Let's see. It says I have it now, right? I already have it via snap, so let's do it now. All right, I think fonts didn't installed it. Why I'm getting this ugly ass code? Fonts didn't went well. I should be seeing a folder over here, file over here, something like that. Maybe I could just maybe open another terminal. Yeah, I could just do this. Acha, I got it now. Where was it? It was under local share, right? So if I do on fonts, I need to open it. If I double click, it's already installed, it's saying. But why the fuck is not? When if it's installed, I already installed it, but why it is it says refresh the font cache. All right. I mean, it is done, but I think do we need to install anything else? NVM is set up, but I cannot see the proper folder structure. What could be the reason for that? We have installed nulled fonts. What else are we missing? What else are we missing, guys? Let me see if you guys have any questions or something. Change terminal font, CAC, Debian movement, CAC. Simple one, hello. Oh, is this, are you saying? Heck nerd font. What the heck? I need heck nerd font mono, right? I just, what the heck is this? It says just custom font, terminal bell. I should have terminal bell. I always do. Indresh. Hackner font mono. It should be. Maybe we should try another thing. Let's go for Fira code. Alright, Fira mono is there. Let's go here and maybe I can, sudo unzip now let's close the terminal, open it again. Okay, now I think it will be done. Should I do this? Yes, I can see a folder structure. Alright, it is done now. Let's see, cargo new test app. cd test app and vim dot. Yeah, it is good. It is good. Yep. Awesome. Alright, nvim is set. What else? We have Rust, we have nvim. Now we need to just have few things for our TypeScript project. It's already too late. Maybe I think we are good. We can start development in this thing. Ubuntu hacker. Nice. LSP time. Yes, we'll add LSP. We'll have to remove this thing because Astro and Vim, I guess, should be very heavy. I'm not sure what they have added. I mean, they have added like a lot of thing. We'll focus only two: TypeScript, TS, and for Rust we'll add only two. Rest we'll remove everything. Ubuntu hacker यार, इतना बुरा भी मत बोलो भाई. Ubuntu यार, प्यार है भाई सारे दोस्तों का. कैसी बातें कर दी तुमने यार Ubuntu के बारे में. हमारी बिलवेड Ubuntu. भूल गए क्या किससे शुरुआत करी थी? All right. Okay, noise. I think it's time for gummy. You guys also take, some time off, rest, and then whatever you are doing, just do it with full hard work. I'll see you next time, guys. Okay. Amazing. Bye bye guys, see you later. Next time this will be done, we'll then start our left project. I have it on my different system. I'll push it and then we will take a clone here and then we'll start building. Okay. I didn't get time today. Basically, I was planning to come on live this morning, but we have some issues. I built something. I deployed something on Friday, and it just backfired. So just I did a hot fix today, and just hoping, like waiting for my manager's message right now. Maybe. All right. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yes. Gumi gumi. Bye guys. Thank you very much. I hope this stream went well. Sudo power of, yeah, sudo power of 0. Okay. I hope the stream went well. This new setup, I hope it didn't gave you any issue, any lagging or something like that. Uh, hmm. Nice, nice, nice. So bye bye. Remove French package. All right. See you later, guys. Bye bye.